What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And today I'm going to be filming my Q&A. And I have about 4 questions. But before I get to those, I want to thank you guys very much. Because I got this the other day. WrestleMania 38. Yeah, Roman, Brock, The Undertaker, Stone Cold, Bianca Belair, Ronda Rousey, Charlotte, and Becky Lynch on the cover. And on the back cover, you have just greatness. You have stupendous greatness. And this review, no joke, got 671 views. Thank you. No, like, I'm serious. Thank you for all of the support. I got about, like, probably 5 new subs. Now I have 232. And, like, 5 days ago, I think I had, like, 526. Or, no, I had 222 subscribers, and that would be terrible. That would be terrible if I lost 300, but no. Thank you to the new 10 subscribers, and I'll be cranking out videos practically every day. But now it's time to get into my pickups that I've got. So now I have 5. So these first 3 are from a couple days ago. I have, of course, WrestleMania 38. The DVD, of course, because I can't find the Blu-ray anywhere. So you have a blue disc, a red disc, and a clear disc with blue lettering on it. Right there. So this was a very good WrestleMania. You had Cody Rhodes coming back. You had Pat McAfee. You had Johnny Knoxville versus Sami Zayn. Okay. Night 1 was better than Night 2. Of course, because this match was only about, like, what? Like, 5 minutes, and we're thinking about it's, like, 30? No. Night 2 sucked. Besides Johnny Knoxville and Sami Zayn. But, yeah. So, I got WrestleMania. And then I got these 2 pickups. From 2003, I got No Mercy. For 99 cents, ladies and gentlemen. For 99 cents. No joke. You have the first ever biker chain match for the WWE title. Taker versus Lesnar. You have Kurt Angle versus Cena. First ever father-daughter I Quit match. What? Stephanie McMahon with Linda versus Mr. McMahon with Sable. Wow. And then, like, you have the insert, right? So it came with insert for 99 cents. Perfect. But then, like, oh yeah, here's the disc. But what is, like, this? Like, own a piece of WrestleMania history. So you open this up, and it's actually WrestleMania cards. So, like, you have Brock Lesnar and Kurt Angle. You have Andre the Giant right there. And then, like, there are the cards right there. And then you can, like, fill this out down at the bottom, and it says, order a WWE pay-per-view through your local cable subscription Once your bill arrives, do something. Mail in your original cable or satellite bill with this coupon. Within 6 to 8 weeks, you will receive your WWE limited edition WrestleMania 20 trading cards. What? This is like, what? It's weird. So then my other pickup is, finally I have this in my collection. This is a DVD that I've been searching for probably 3 years. Like, legit. Survivor Series 2003. Let's go. I have this now. I got it for $5. You have, and these are the 2 matches why I got it. The Final Encounter ambulance match, Shane McMahon versus Kane, and Taker versus Vince McMahon in the Buried Alive. I finally have this. This is awesome cover artwork. This is perfect. Yes! And then my final 2 pickups. I got today more 2003. Dude, my 2003 collection is not really complete, but almost. So I got Bad Blood 2003 for $5. I got Triple H versus Kevin Nash, Hell in a Cell for the world title. Triple H with Mick Foley as a guest referee. Redneck Triathlon, Stone Cold versus Eric Bischoff. Shawn Michaels versus Ric Flair, and Goldberg versus Jericho. Those are like the 4 main events, I guess. And then you have the disc. And then I saw something weird here. It says Eric Bischoff and Stone Cold present Bad Blood, and then Kevin Nash versus Triple H in a Hell in a Cell match for the World Championship. That's like cool. And then on the SmackDown side, actually, I think this is a co-main event. The co-branded stuff. I got Judgment Day 2003. Triple H versus Kevin Nash again, and then stretcher match, Big Show versus Brock Lesnar. There we go. So, let's get into these questions. We have 3 questions from MarkBoy316. Thank you, good dude. These questions actually mean a lot to me. Do you think Cody Rhodes will challenge Roman Reigns for the WWE title right here? So he can win the belt or the title that his father never did. Yes. See, I don't really care about the WWE title on Roman Reigns since he just won it. All I care about that the title is on Roman is the Universal title, because he's been holding that championship can we just say that Roman Reigns is on the highlight of his career? Like, this is probably the best thing he's done, like, his whole career, like, since The Shield. So he's held that title for 618 days. Ooh, yes! and then the WWE title for 38 days. Yes. So I think Cody Rhodes versus Roman Reigns is a good thing. And I think he will win. I really do. Because Hell in the Cell, Roman Reigns is out. He signed a new contract for fewer dates. And now it's like, wait, what? So now he's not part of Hell in the Cell. He's like taking 5 months off, I believe. Yes, so it's weird, but Cody Rhodes will win. Just so, because he wants like to hand the title to Dusty, but he can't now since he passed away in 2015. But yes, he will like probably go to his. It's either I'm gonna. I'm not sure if he got cremated or buried, but I'm gonna say he's gonna hold it up on like his like fireplace and just say, "This one's for you, Dad." So probably like that. And then his next question is, do you think The Rock will beat Roman for the Universal title at WrestleMania 39 in Hollywood? I would love that match. But they're pulling Drew McIntyre versus Roman for the Universal title. I don't want Drew McIntyre anywhere near Roman Reigns and that title. Do you know that Drew McIntyre had shot after shot after shot after shot after shot after title opportunity, same as a shot. Fine. In 2020, that guy is probably like a 3-time WWE champion. Yeah, because it says here. No, he's actually a 2-time, actually. But he seriously had shot after shot after shot. You can't win anymore, Drew. You have to stop. Leave Roman Reigns in the bloodline alone. And now, like, RK Bro versus the Usos are having a title unification match. Yes, please. Next week on SmackDown. This is great. This might not be great to some people, but it's great for me. Because the Usos are going to win the Raw Tag Team Championships and merge the SmackDown and Raw Tag Team titles together. Yes, they will. RK Bro are going to lose. Because I think that they're going to have the match at Hell in a Cell in a Hell in a Cell match. Because if you saw SmackDown, at the end of SmackDown, Matt Riddle need Roman Reigns in the mouth. Roman Reigns is out for blood, people. So, I think Cody Rhodes will... I think the Universal title is safe. I think they're making Roman Reigns hold it for 5 months. I'm not sure of that. But I want The Rock versus Reigns at WrestleMania 39. Because that's where Rock is. In Hollywood. They can call him up for one match and lose. But if he wins, he has to sign a new contract. And do you actually think... Wait, hold on. The Rock. Let's see if he's doing any movies. Guys, and can you say Young Rock is a great show? Because I'm enjoying the heck out of it. Okay, can I get, like... Okay, that's weird. Rock movies. He is in a movie in 2022. So this year, it's called Black Adam. Nearly 5,000 years after he was bestowed with his almighty power of the Egyptian gods and imprisoned just as quickly as Black Adam, Dwayne Johnson is freed from his earthly tomb, ready to unleash his unique of justice on the modern world. What the heck does that mean? It is being in theaters in 2 months. So he can make it to WrestleMania 39. Do I think he will? Yes. Do I think Roman Reigns will have the title? Yes. Will that match happen to my knowledge? Yes. I hope to God it happens because because Roman Reigns has defeated everybody besides Shinsuke, but like, I want that match as well, but that match isn't going to happen. Hopefully soon it will, but not right now. He's defeated everybody on Raw, basically, because he never defends the WWE title, so just drop that to Cody Rhodes, please. So, yes, I think that match will happen. And what do you think of the Edge faction? I think it's great. Judgment Day is among us. Do I think Finn Balor should be in it? Dude, okay, first of all, Rhea Ripley shouldn't be anywhere near it. You know who should be near it? Is Liv Morgan. Yeah, not Rhea Ripley. Dude, Rhea Ripley and Liv Morgan's career suck. Rhea Ripley's career is getting good in this faction. But I think Liv Morgan should, like, be in it because she can actually win a title if she is in it. It's so stupid that she's not in it. But this group is doing pretty well. Edge went back to 2012 Edge and 2015 Edge when he cut his hair like the night after Backlash. So, what do you think of the Edge faction yourself? Please put it down in the comments. I think Edge has, like, a couple more, like, he said, like, on a Google search I put up, so, like, I said, like, Edge, and the story popped up. Don't think I will be around for 5 more years. So, I either think he signed on for another year or two, but he won't be around in 5 years. He will be retired probably again. But this is the match that I want. Edge versus John Cena at at SummerSlam. One more match, Edge versus Cena, at this pay-per-view. Please. We need Edge versus Cena at this pay-per-view right here. They have so much chemistry from 2006. Edge won his first world title from Cena, cashing in his Money in the Bank in 2006 at New Year's Revolution. This match has gold written all over it. I think Cena is returning in July, June or July. Do not make the mistake, WWE, please, of making Cena face Austin Theory, of all people, make Cena face Edge. So, this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings. I hope you enjoyed. I think, again, to answer Mark's question one more time, the Edge faction is doing great. They need to add more members, though. Like, Tommaso Ciampa needs to be in the group. Finn Balor will turn on Styles and join the group, I believe. But those are the questions. You put your answers in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss every upload. Been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, and I'm out. Peace.